Moving on, in a pivotal turn of events, former U.S. President Donald Trump has emerged victorious in his battle against challenges to his eligibility for a White House run. Michigan's top court has rejected an attempt seeking to disqualify him from the state's presidential polls. And the Michigan Supreme Court has declined an appeal from 4 voters who sought to bar Trump ahead of state's February 27 primary elections. And they argued that Trump, who is the front runner for the 2024 Republican nomination, cannot serve as the president under a constitutional provision. And they said that provision prohibits individuals from holding office if they have engaged in any insurrection or rebellion after swearing an oath to the United States. Now, after the hearing and in an order, the Michigan court's justices said, and I'm quoting here, "We are not persuaded that the questions presented should be reviewed by this court." Now, this decision contrasts sharply with the recent Colorado Supreme Court ruling, and the court had declared that the former president was ineligible for the state's Republican primary ballot in the 2024 U.S. presidential elections. Now, if the Colorado court does not intervene by the early January deadline, Trump's name will remain on Colorado's Republican primary ballot. And Trump has not been charged with insurrection in connection with the attack on January 6th. This even as he was indicted in a federal case and another one in Georgia for his part in attempting to rig the 2020 election. The United States Supreme Court is widely expected to rule on Trump's eligibility, and this as over 30 states have challenged his eligibility in one way or the other. Now, despite these legal challenges, Trump remains undeterred, and recently he took to his social media website, Truth Social, to express his views. And he stated that the court strongly and rightfully denied what he called a desperate Democrat attempt to remove him from the Michigan ballot. Now, nationwide polls indicate Trump's strong standing among fellow Republican contenders, and these include Florida governor and a former South Carolina governor, and a UN ambassador, Nikki Haley. Now, the outcome of these legal battles could significantly impact the unfolding narrative of the 2024 presidential race.
And faded names of the past.